Hi friends, for this activity, you're going to need this game board from the math material area and a paper clip and a writing utensil. You're welcome to use colored pencils for this if you would like to. So the directions say use a paper clip and pencil to make a spinner. Spin the spinner 2 times. Draw a rectangle with the length and width of the numbers you spun. Find the area of your rectangle. See how many rectangles you can draw on one page. So I'm going to spin 2 different numbers, one for my length and one for my width of my rectangle. So I'm going to spin it once. Okay, 1, and again for my width, and 5. Okay, so on my game board, I'm going to make a rectangle that has a length of 1 and a width of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I need to go ahead and draw this rectangle just like that. And the reason I started on the edge here is because the direction said, see how many rectangles you can draw on one page. So every time you spin and make a new one, you're going to have to kind of play Tetris a little bit to see how many you can fit in without wasting any squares. So once I've drawn my rectangle, now I need to find the area of my rectangle. So the area means the space that it takes up inside. So I'm going to tell you right now that each one of these little square units are in centimeters. Okay, so that is the label that we're going to use for our area here. So my rectangle right here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square centimeters. So inside of my rectangle, I am just going to write the area. 5 centimeters squared. See that little 2? That has to be there so that I know I'm talking about an area measurement, the space on the inside, and not just the length of a line or an edge on the outside. That little floating 2 means squared, whatever units I have. Okay, so you're going to keep spinning and see how many different rectangles you can fit on this paper. On the back, you have another board with new numbers, so you can choose which side you would like to start on. But you've got a different spinner over here with different numbers, so you can do both sides of this activity. When you're done, you can put your name on it and turn it into your math turn-in area. Have fun, everyone!